the Quran was given to the Prophet Muhammad. The date changes yearly, as it is based on the moon, but it takes place in the 9th month of the Islamic calendar. Ramadan begins the morning after people see the crescent moon and can last for about 1 month. How do Muslims celebrate Ramadan? Ramadan's main custom is fasting, or not eating or drinking during the day. Fasting helps Muslims focus on religion and self-discipline. Fasting. During the month of Ramadan, Muslim people will fast. This means that they cannot eat or drink anything between sunrise and sunset. Muslims believe that fasting reminds them of people who have less than they do, as well as making them think more about their actions. One meal will be eaten just before sunrise, and another is eaten right after sunset. Foods eaten during sahur include eggs, bread, rice, fruit, and vegetables. As the sun goes down, Muslims will break their fast with something small like dates and water. Then they will say the Maghrib prayer. Once the sun has completely gone down, they will eat a larger meal that includes rice, chicken or beef, yogurt, samosas, roti, and desserts such as sweet rice. Ramadan calendar. Some Muslim children will have a Ramadan Advent calendar. The calendar is usually made from fabric or cardboard and will have 29 or 30 doors or pockets to open, each with a number to 30 on. Inside each one is an action to complete. These are usually ways you can help other people and treat them with kindness. In fact, helping others and doing good deeds is an important part of Ramadan. Sometimes this means giving money to charities or people that need help. It can also mean being kind, giving your time, and sharing what you have. Going to a mosque. Going to a mosque is also an important part of both Ramadan and Eid. Muslims will pray in a room called a musalla. This is a big open space. The carpet usually has a pattern with spaces for each person to sit. Everyone must take off their shoes inside the mosque. The special prayer during Ramadan is called the Taraweeh. Eid al-Fitr. After Ramadan, Muslims celebrate Eid al-Fitr, the festival of breaking the fast. The festival starts when the new moon is seen in the sky. Eid is a great gathering when people eat, present gifts, and praise Allah for strength during Ramadan. It marks the end of the fast. Muslims take part in many activities to celebrate Eid. They will often buy new clothes and decorate their hands with henna designs. There will be special prayer services at the mosque, and people will say special prayers in their homes. Muslims will visit their families and have a large feast for lunch or dinner. Some people will also celebrate with a firework display on the first night of Eid. The rest of Eid is then spent seeing family and helping others. Muslim people will say Eid Mubarak, which means have a blessed Eid. That's all for now. For more information and resources related to Ramadan, head to twinkle.com.